Make the ground shake.
So, hello YouTube, we are here again for another video on this game called Sword Boost 2. So, today we are on floor 3 of this game and I will show you how to go to the boss location. So, let's go! Okay, so now we are inside the... I don't know if this is a maze or I don't, but let's go. So that this is some monster scene on the maze called Ice One. So this one is Ice One. So let's go. This boss is normally, the boss is so difficult, but the maze is not just difficult, but when we fight the boss it's more difficult than the others. So let's go continue finding it. Just follow where I'm going so you guys can go to the boss. So we need to go right, then don't go down there and just go up here. We don't need to go down there because we can literally just go up here and down. Go. Now we are heading up now to this. Actually, no, I don't know if we are near now to the boss, but I think yes. So let's go. Okay, you just need to go straight in this part, then go left, then go right, and then go right again, and go left. Now, that is not the real boss, it's just, I think it's a mini boss, like the other maps that is mini boss too. That was the mini boss only, so we need to go continue to this path. So let's go. Go up again, stairs. We just go straight and just continue to the path because there's only one way, so this is not really a maze but just a path to go to the boss, I think. Let's go. So guys, we are here now to the boss spawn location, the boss location. So that is the boss, the floor 3 boss. So let's try to fight him. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, this boss is strong, like I said. This boss is so strong. Oh god, this boss is so strong. So guys, I think we can defeat this boss solo, so I don't know, we just try. Alright. So guys, I think I will end up here now the video because we can't kill the boss solo. So guys, hope you like this video and hope that this video helps you.